If you're thinking of buying electric mopeds and mini bikes, then this video is for you. In this video, we'll go through the top 10 electric mopeds and mini bikes that you can buy in the market for 2024. So let's start the list. Number 10. Super 73 S1. With its distinct aesthetic, California-based Super 73 soon became one of the most well-known names in the US e-bike market. It's small but functional for commuters of all sizes. It's inexpensive. The firm will mail one to your house, and it looks stylish. This model weighs only 70 pounds and yet has a carrying capacity of 275 pounds and 3 degrees of pedal assist. It's simple to use and even features a small rack for carrying along with any beach essentials. Number 9. UNI Moke. The UNI Moke classic electric bike has a similar appearance to the Super 73, but this German mini bike ups the ante with some premium amenities. There are 9 levels of pedal assistance. A thumb throttle is available as an option. The bike also comes with Shimano 7-speed gearing, a derailleur, all-terrain tires by Kenda, and a frame made of chrome moly. In addition, an LCD instrument panel displays mileage, run time, pedal assist level, and speed control data. While you're speeding from one location to the next over the weekend, this one gives you a touch of class. Number 8. Ariel D-Class. The Ariel D-Class is distinguished because it is not just an e-bike, but also a two-wheel drive e-bike. A 2W e-bike seems to be a significant improvement while ridding over sand or off-road. With a gorgeous huge headlight up front, mirrored by a rear LED taillight on the back of the battery, with fairly high capacity at 864 W. In theory, that will get you about 40 miles on a single charge at ordinary speeds, but not if you're going at peak speed the entire time. Watch this in-depth review of the D-Class Scrambler. Number 7. BMW C-evolution. This electric BMW C-evolution maxi scooter blends dynamics, sustainability, and activity with an eye-catching style. The C-evolution includes all the devices you'd expect from a scooter of the highest rating: ABS, traction control, a computer on board, and a large color TFT screen. And with a remarkable 35 kW motor that allows the C-evolution to hit 74 mAh and impressive batteries that can help you reach up to 100 miles in range, this BMW truly packs incredible specs. Number 6. Peugeot E-Ludix. The E-Ludix uses a 3 kW electric motor which is placed lower in the middle, giving it a low center of gravity. With an external charger, the portable battery from Bosch can be fully charged within 3 hours. The battery can be charged to some amount through regenerative braking. In terms of performance, the scooter has a top speed of 45 km and a range of approximately 50 km. Surprisingly, the E-Ludix weighs only 85 kg. Number 5. Coast Cycles Buzzraw. The Coast Cycles Buzzraw X750 bike is a lightweight design of just 28.5 kg. This e-bike has a great maximum range of about 28 miles, and it only takes 5 hours to charge the entire battery. Another fantastic feature of this new 48V lithium-ion battery is that it can be locked and removed from the Buzzraw X750 and can be carried inside to charge whether at home or work, making it one of the most adaptable and useful electric bikes on the market. Number 4. Onyx RCR. The Onyx RCR has front and rear suspension, a moped-style seat, and a big headlamp with retro vibes. The RCR is more consistent with 125cc motors, and thanks to its 7.2 HP rear hub, it pushes the limits with the name Moped. At a top speed of 60 mph, its battery of 72V and 1.66 kWh can reach 20 mph by up to 75 miles. RCR is a little expensive, as you'd expect with a spec sheet like that. It has a price tag of $3,899. Number 3. Vespa Elettrica. Many people consider a Vespa to be the ultimate moped. Aside from some modest blue pinstriping and the lack of exhaust, it could be mistaken for a petrol Vespa on the outside, but it's significantly different on the inside. A 4 kW electric motor powers the Vespa Elettrica. At the wheel, the maximum torque is 200 Nm. The electric scooter has a range of 62 miles in eco mode and 43 miles in power mode per charge. Using a 220V socket, it takes 3.5 hours to charge the battery. Number 2. Sondors MadMods. The Sondors MadMods e-bikes will feature full suspension frames with a telescopic fork up front and dual rear coilover shocks in the rear, with mini bike and scrambler styling reminiscent of many 1980s mopeds. The moped has a 750-watt electric motor in the back wheel and a top speed of 31 miles per hour. It zips along through a 21Ah lithium battery and has a driving range of 37 miles. It also comes in 3 different styles: Cafe, Retro, and Scrambler. The Scrambler model is suitable for off-road use. Number 1. BlackTea. Powered by an overhead 3 kW and 5 kW peak rear hub engine, the BlackTea moped looks very much like the one seen on a popular California electric moped Onyx RCR. Inside the body, a 72V 24.5 Ah battery is housed. According to BlackTea, the battery's 1.76 kW capacity allows for a range of 43 miles at mixed city speeds of 28 mph. However, there is an option that allows you to increase the range by adding a second battery.